Hey guys, it's David from BinaryOptionsDaily.com. So today we're going to be going over what are binary options and how do they compare to other means of trading. So to keep things simple, binary options are a revolutionary new way to day trade. Now you may be familiar with companies such as Google or Apple and know that these companies have shares which are traded daily on the stock market. Now previously, if you wanted to day trade these types of stocks, you would need to have at least $25,000 in your account to be able to do so. Also, it often took anywhere from a few days to even a few months or years for traders to generate any significant profits. We also would not want to exclude the fact that depending on how your account is set up, you never know how much money you could potentially lose. What I mean by this is a stock could plummet, or if you're trading the foreign exchange markets with leverage, meaning you're playing with money you don't have, you could end up with what is known as a margin call, where you owe more money than you had initially invested, which can get you into big trouble. So clearly, for some traders, opening an account with $25,000 and having to sit and wait for long periods of time to potentially generate profits, as well as not knowing how much they could lose, seems, well, not so great. This is what sets binary options apart. You don't need a tremendous amount of starting capital to begin trading. You can begin trading with as little as $200 at some brokers, and you're able to earn returns or profits up to 91% of the amount that you invest if you win your trade. So for example, if I invested $100 in a Google stock binary option with a payout of 72%, I could expect to earn a profit of $72 if the trade wins. If the trade loses, you lose your entire invested amount unless a broker is offering what is known as an out-of-the-money payout, meaning if your trade loses, you still gain back some of your initial investment. With binary options, you also know exactly when you can expect to know if a trade wins or loses by what is known as the expiry time. So the expiry time is simply when the option or trade expires. This can be anywhere from as little as 60 seconds to 15 minutes or even the end of the month on some brokers. And finally, with binary options, you know exactly how much you could potentially lose. So because you set your own investment amount, you cannot lose any more than what you choose to invest. So I hope this was helpful for some of you out there wondering what binary options are and how they compare to other means of trading. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments section below or head over to BinaryOptionsDaily.com for more information.